Hi, my name is Nick. I'm one of the developers of WriteUp, our gamified learning platform with AI-powered feedback for your writing. And this is going to be a quick demo of our site. Let's get right into it. So I'm going to register a new account from our homepage. We're going to call this account, our username will be demo. Our email is demo2@gmail.com. And we'll put in a quick password. Now we registered, and we're going to log in really quick. demo2@gmail.com and put our password in. And now we have created this new account, demo. And you can see our rank is a novice narrator, and we have a skill ranking of 0. So let's check out some of the writing challenges now that we have an account. We have a whole big list full of lots of options, each of them having a title, a difficulty associated with it, and then the prompt that you have to respond to. So I want to find something that is narrative and descriptive. These are the tags that I want it to have, and I'm going to search. And it's narrowed it down to a couple. And we're going to try this one, Shaping Perspectives Through Knowledge, difficulty easy. So we go into the writing panel, and we can see here's our title again, and here's the prompt. Show how your knowledge of a text context shaped your understanding of a perspective it communicated. So we're going to go ahead and answer this really quick. I've sped ahead a little bit, and I've filled out this whole thing with a response, and we're going to go ahead and submit it. It's going to take a second and load. It's going to give us some feedback. It's going to go ahead and select specific areas of the text. It's going to highlight them. Here it's selected, understanding the context of a text is essential for fully grasping the perspective it communicates. So it has selected this first sentence, and it's given us some specific feedback on that section. It says, this section effectively introduces the importance of understanding context, but could benefit from a clearer example linking the context directly to this perspective conveyed. And it's going to give us some more feedback on different sections that it's going to highlight for us. And it's going to give us some overall feedback on our response. Its feedback for this response that I wrote was, for future essays, focus on explicitly connecting the context of the text to the characters' perspectives and motivations. Use specific examples and possibly quotes from the text to enhance your points. Additionally, consider structuring your argument to ensure that each paragraph builds towards a deeper understanding of the theme you are discussing. And it's given us a score, 75. And you can see that we place right around where everyone else is placing with the 75. But you can see there are some people who are scoring lower, and there are some people who are scoring higher. So if we go to our profile now, you can see that our skill ranking has gone up to 75. We have a point on the graph here that says 75. And our rank has gone all the way up to literary legend, which is quite high. So let's check out another account that let's check out my personal account and see how I'm doing there. So if we log into here, you can see here I am, Nick. I'm a prose pro, and I have an average skill ranking of 48. You can see this is how well I've been scoring on all of the things I've attempted. You can see I have some high scores here. I have some very low scores as well. And we're going to see where those low scores come from. So we're going to pick a random one from all of these. We're going to try unveiling new meanings and transformation. And instead of giving it an honest effort, we're just going to write some nonsense here, right? And we're going to submit this. We're going to wait a second, and it's going to give us some feedback that's going to say, this part lacks clarity and coherence. It does not convey a meaningful point related to the prompt about genre transformation. So here it is. It's told us, you've just answered nonsense, and it's given us feedback directly to that, and it's given us a very low score of 10. So if you go back to our profile, you can see that that's reflected in our ranking, and our skill ranking has gone down. As you continue to practice your writing in WriteUp, you can work your way all the way up from novice narrator, which was the starting rank, all the way up to aspiring author, prose pro, literary legend, and even a Shakespearean scholar. Thank you for watching this demo to WriteUp, our gamified learning platform with AI-powered feedback for your writing.